Good morning, all of you. The basic concept of the organic chemistry. First is the and now the explain upon the alkyl halides and aryl halides definition and meaning, and that's other definition is explained. Now the first is the hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons means a compound of hydrogen and carbon, such any of those which are the chief component of the petroleum and natural gas. It is the only organic chemistry. Now the organic chemistry is a study of only carbon and hydrogen atom. This is called as the organic chemistry, and this hydrocarbons is a four type. First is alkanes, second is alkene, third is alkynes, and fourth is aromatic. Some other definitions: moles. Moles means molecular weight expressed in gram is called as a moles. The alcohol formula C2H5OH, phenol formula C6H6O, ether formula ROR. Ether can also used to create the perfumes, refine other waxes or fats. The coordination chemistry is the study of components that have the central atom surrounded by molecule or anion known as ligands. Ligands means this molecule, neutral molecule, it is an electron rich compound to donate the electron central metal atom, and this is a ligand is a negative charge. This is called as a ligands. The ligands are attached to the central metal atom by dentive bond. This bond also called a coordinate bond and also known as the metal ligand bonds. Third is the ligands three type. First is a unidentate ligands, second is a bidentate ligand. Now the unidentate ligand, the central metal atom attached to the ligand is only one single bond. This is called as a bidentate. Now the central metal atom attached to the two bond form of the ligands. This is called as a bidentate. Then tetradentate. Ethylene diamine C2OH oxalate ions. It is a bidentate ligand, tridentate ligand which have the three donors atom per ligands. Then another definition: electronegativity, the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. Fluorine high electronegative atom, francium lower इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्ह ॲटम. आता इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह म्हणजे त्या कंपाऊंडमध्ये अशी टेंडन्सी असते की इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रॅक्ट करण्याची टेंडन्सी टू द ॲटम अट्रॅक्ट द शेअर पेअर ऑफ. ते काय करतात की शेअर पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ॲक्सेप्ट करतात, अशी त्याच्यामध्ये काय असते टेंडन्सी असते टू अट्रॅक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी. The fluorine is a high electronegative atom. Francium is a low electronegative atoms. Alkyl halides and haloalkanes. The halogen atom bonded to alkyl group in vicinal halides. Example: alkyl halides. 2-bromopropane is a alkyl halides. Alkyl halides mean the halogen atom bonded to alkyl group. एका अल्किल ग्रुपला काय होतं हॅलोजन ॲटम मॅचर होतो, त्याला काय म्हणतात होतं अल्किल हलाइड्स. अरिल हलाइड्स मीन्स द अरिल हलाइड्स इज अ aromatic compound in which one or more hydrogen atom directly bonded to the aromatic ring replaced by the halides is called as aryl halides. मीन्स जे काही aromatic compound असतात जे 6 मेंबरवाले वन आर मोर हायड्रोजन ॲटम डायरेक्टली बॉन्डेड असतात त्याला, मग त्यातला एक हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस करून एक कोणता ॲटम झालेला असतो हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच झालेला असतो, मग त्या रिंगला काय म्हटलं जातं अरिल हलाइड. अँड देन अल्किल हलाइड मीन्स हॅलोजन ॲटमला काय बॉन्डेड असतं अल्कली ग्रुप आणि विनिलिक हलाइड्स. अगेन डेफिनेशन मोल. Moles means molecular weight expressed in gram. It called as a mole. Molarity: 1 mole of substance dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called as a molarity. Now the molarity, it is also important of this chemistry to preparation of the solution. Then normality: the one equivalent weight of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called as a normality. For this atomic weight, it is a mass of the main particles found in an atom which be of proton and neutrons. atomic weight means काय की mass of main particle, त्याचं mass with found in atom being proton and neutron. This is the atomic weight. Equivalent weight, the mass of particular substance that can combine with the displays 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen combine. म्हणजे काय केलं जातं इक्विव्हॅलंट वेटमध्ये the mass of particular substance that can combine with the display म्हणजे त्या कंपाऊंडचं ॲटॉमिक वेट प्लस त्याच्यामध्ये 1 ग्रॅम ऑफ हायड्रोजन आणि 8 ग्रॅम ऑफ oxygen. 1 gram of hydrogen, 8 gram of oxygen combined, and then it is called as the equivalent weight. Thank you. Now this definition is a very important used in daily life and daily chemistry. Now this is a aryl halide is an aromatic compound which is a more hydrogen atom. Thank you.